Hello. For this problem, it says a bag contains 9 red marbles, 5 white marbles, and 6 blue marbles. You draw marbles out at random without replacing. Find the following probability. So the first one is the probability that all the marbles are red. So we're pulling out 4, we're not putting them back. So the probability that the first one is red, there's 9 red out of the 20, so it would be 9/20. Then we find the probability that the next one's red, but we didn't put it back. So now instead of 9 red, there's 8 red, 5 white, and 6 blue, for a total of 19 marbles. So when we go to pull the next one, there's only 8 red out of 19, so the probability of pulling red is 8 out of 19. So we pulled that red, so now we only have 7 red, 5 white, and 6 blue, for a total of 18 marbles. So when we go to pull the next one, there's only 7 red out of 18. So the probability of pulling a red is 7 divided by 18. Now we're assuming we pulled that red. So there's only 6 red, but there's still the 5 white and 6 blue, for a total of 17 marbles. So the probability of the last one being red is 6 out of the 17. And if you calculate that going 3 decimal places, you'll have 0.026. The next one is that the probability that none of the marbles are red. So if we start with this, we want to find the probability that none of them are red. When we pull the first one, there's 11 that are not red. So it's 11 out of all 20 that the first one is not red. So you could think of it as 9 red, 11 not red, because we don't care if they're white or blue as long as it's not red. So the probability of the first one would be 11 out of 20. Now we pulled one that wasn't red, so that means we still have the 9 red, but we only have 10 not red, which gives us 19 marbles. The probability then that the next one's not red is 10 out of the 19. So we pull one again that's not red, we still have 9 red and 9 not red. So the 18 marbles. So the probability the next one's not red is 9 out of the 18, or 9/18. And 1, 2, 3, we're pulling 4 marbles. So we still have the 9 red But now we have 8 not red for a total of 17 marbles. The probability then of pulling one that's not red again is 8/17. 8/17. And if you multiply that, oops, this should have an equal sign here. But if you multiply that out and round 3 decimal places, oh, 4 decimal places, sorry. This was a 0. You get 0.0681.